Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to read an audio file within the Scilab 2025. So how we can do that? First of all, we must know that we have a command that is called as the waveread. This command is specifically for the sound files but of .wav types. Means that MP3 sound or MP3 audio file cannot be read with that of this command or function. So what we need to do is to write y and fs. So now what is this? Let me complete it out. Now we have a built-in function of the Scilab which is called as the waveread. Means that this function will just read a file whose complete length is within these two commas. So what will be done next? Then this function will actually store all the samples of that file in the y variable, and fs is the sampling frequency. Okay, so we just can write write here like y and fs. That is, this y is for complete data and fs is actually the sampling frequency. Okay, now we will go and we will search for our .wav file. You can write any other you can search for any other .wav file in your PC. So here I will go. I will see that either there is some .wav file. Let me search it out. Yes, it is written MIC. It is WAV file. So go to its properties, copy its location, Control C, here paste it out, and then we will go and then we will copy its name and then we will write .wav in the last. .wav. So it is mic .wav. So now okay, now we have seen that all the points are stored inside this y, and fs is 11025, which is given by this waveread function. So now we will use another function, that is play sound or play snd. Play snd y comma fs. Now this play sound function or play snd function will actually play the sound on the aforementioned sampling frequency. So now we will press enter, and now you can see that although it is just noise, okay, it is just noise, but still you can see that it is okay. Now we can hear it out. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can read an audio file of .wav type within the Scilab. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.